Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Make sure both After Effects and Media Encoder use compatible versions before starting. Check Creative Cloud for updates and restart both apps if needed. Save your project and collect assets before sending to Media Encoder. Close other heavy apps to free memory and prevent crashes during encoding. Set your composition frame rate and resolution to the final delivery settings first. This preparation avoids re-encodes and keeps your workflow efficient and stable for longer projects. Open the composition in After Effects and choose Composition, then add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. Adobe Media Encoder launches or becomes active and receives a dynamic link reference. Adjust the export preset and format inside Media Encoder after dynamic link connects. Choose H, 264 or QuickTime with the correct bitrate and codec settings for delivery. Monitor the Media Encoder queue for status and any missing media notifications that require relinking. Resolve missing files by relinking from After Effects or the Media. Use the Start Queue button in Media Encoder to begin encoding your linked composition immediately. Watch the progress bar and estimated time remaining for each queued item. If frames are missing, relink media in After Effects and re-add to the queue before restarting. For faster performance, enable GPU acceleration in Preferences and set memory allocation between Adobe apps. Export to a local SSD and avoid network drives to prevent dropped frames. Archive your After Effects project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.